Have you heard about the new lawsuit with Freddie Mac?
No, what is Freddie Mac?
Freddie Mac is a big institution that loses billions of dollars to help people buy homes that they cannot afford.
If it loses billions of dollars, how can it survive?
The taxpayer bails it out.
That is ridiculous.
I know it is ridiculous.
I rent my home. Why are my tax dollars paying for people to buy homes they cannot afford?
Because Freddie Mac helps politicians get elected and feel compassionate.
Compassionate. That's not compassionate. That's the opposite of compassionate. That's about the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
I know. But, anyway, let me tell you about this lawsuit. It is the stupidest thing you'll ever hear.
Worse than the existence of Freddie Mac in the first place?
Oh dear, yes. So much worse. In July, the Internal Revenue Service told Freddie Mac that it owed $3 billion of back taxes and penalties for the years 1998 through 2005.
Dear Lord, that's a lot of money. So did it pay the taxes back?
Nope.
What do you mean, nope?
It sued the IRS to contest the back taxes.
And wait, I thought the taxpayer bails out Freddie Mac already?
It does. Which is why this lawsuit gets even more absurd.
So who is funding this lawsuit?
Well, it seems like the taxpayer indirectly. And the funding for the IRS to prosecute the case directly.
Wait, so who wins if Freddie Mac wins the lawsuit and doesn't owe the $3 billion to the IRS?
Everybody loses no matter what.
So the Treasury uses tax dollars to keep Freddie Mac solvent to help people buy homes they cannot afford.
Yes.
And then Freddie Mac is suing the Treasury to contest money that it owes to the government.
Yes.
That means if Freddie Mac wins the lawsuit, the Treasury won't need to send as much bailout money to Freddie Mac, because Freddie Mac will owe less money in back taxes.
Yes, but the taxpayer loses because the Treasury will be down $3 billion in revenue.
So it is a lose-lose for the taxpayer.
Yes.
And as Freddie Mac loses, it will have an even bigger debt than it already has, so the Treasury will simply have to bail it out anyway with more taxpayer dollars.
Yes. That is what I'm telling you. It is ridiculous.
So why was this done?
The spokesperson for Freddie Mac said it was out of principle.
What principle? The Treasury is bailing out an institution that should not exist. That institution is suing that same Treasury to contest back taxes that it owes. Then if that institution loses the lawsuit, the Treasury will still have to bail it out, only with more money this time. And if it wins, the public loses the $3 billion in revenue.
Yes. So isn't that the dumbest lawsuit ever?